Hello my dear children, how are you? Hope you all are good, you all are happy and you are learning and you are singing the poems. So my dear children, today I am here in front of you with a new letterland character. You remember we are doing letterland characters, right? So today I have a new letterland character for you and his name is... Do you want to see? Yes, his name is Harry Hatman. What is his name? Harry Hatman. Why it's called Harry Hatman? Because he is all the time he is in hurry. He is in hurry. Hurry towards where? So I will tell you why he is in hurry. First you will go subscribe my channel. I am your teacher. My name is T.Nadia Javed and my channel name is T.Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School. So you will subscribe my channel and then I will tell you why Harry Hatman is called Harry Hatman. Yes, why he calls Harry Hatman? Because all the time he is in hurry to go where? He is in a hurry to go to the farmhouse, where he has a farmhouse and he is in hurry all the time to go to the farmhouse. Very good. And in his farmhouse, what he has? What he has? And do you want to see his farmhouse? Yes. It is the farmhouse of Harry Hatman, right? And he calls it hut. Not he calling it, he is calling its farmhouse. He is calling it hut. So, this is the hut of Harry Hatman. And what is in the hut? In the hut, there are so many hens. There are so many hens and he has a horse. What he has? He has her horse. Her horse. Her horse. And what Harry Hatman says all the time? Harry Hatman says all the time, right? Harry Hatman all the time he wears a hat. What he wears? He wears a hat on his head. Can you see a hat on his head? Yes, Harry Hatman wears all the time hat. And he has a hen. He has a horse. He has a hat. Wow. And Harry Hatman has a daughter. Harry Hatman has a daughter. And what is the name of his daughter? His daughter name is Hina. Hina. Right? So, when Harry Hatman go to the hut and he rides the horse and wearing a hat and look at the hen, and then what is in his hand? Harry Hatman has a hammer. What is this? Hammer. It is a hammer. Wow. And hammer is in his hand. In his hand. And when he is hitting on a wall, all the time he is singing. What he is singing? I am telling you. Okay, my dear children, stand up and sing with me and learn this poem, this letterland phonic poem. Harry Hatman says, inwards, inwards, inwards. Harry Hatman says, inwards. Harry Hatman says, Okay, sing a poem with me, Harry Hatman's phonic poem. So, my dear children, stand up everyone and sing with me, and hope you will enjoy this poem. This is Letterland phonic poem of Harry Hatman. Harry Hatman says, in words, in words, in words. Harry Hatman says, in words. He will not talk out loud. Yes, my dear children, as you listen in the poem, he will not talk aloud. He will not talk aloud. He will not talk aloud, but he whispers. He whispers what he says. Only he whispers. This is its sound. Only the whisper, right? He will not say it loud, right? And he says all the time what he says, and there is another poem. Helicopter hovering, helicopters hovering. It's also the whispering. A helicopter also not say aloud. A helicopter also says, and Harry Hatman says all the time, right? Now we will see and we will revise what Harry Hatman says. This is Harry Hatman. Can you see? It is a character of Letterland. And what he is wearing? He is wearing a hat. And then what is there? This is hut. And what is this? Hut. And what is this? This is hen. What is this? This is horse. And this is hat. And what is this? She is Hina and Hina, right? They all says, what they says? They all say, what they say? They all say, right? So, this is the new character of Letterland. This is Harry Hatman, and Harry Hatman says all the time, right? So, how you will write sound? How you will write sound? You will write her sound. I will just say it loud for you, her, but you will say in whispering. You will say in whispering. How? You will not say it loud. So how you will write her sound? You will start from the first line and you will not use the last line. Her sound comes on the upper three lines. Her sound comes on upper three lines. We will not use the last line. We will start from the first line, make a straight line. You will not pick up the pen, go up, and then from the second line. This is first and this is second. From the second line you will go there, make a bridge and then down, and on the third line you will make a loop. This is sound. This is sound. You will observe again. You will start from the first line, make a straight line, come on the third line, stop here, go up, and on the second line you will move on the right hand, make a bridge, come down, and on the third line you will make a loop. This is sound. Right, my dear children? Hope you like this video. Please, my dear children, like my videos, subscribe my channel, and learn day by day, learn the phonics and the poems of Letterland. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.